In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make objects scrollable in Adobe XD. So, whether you're working with a row of images, a series of cards, or any other group of elements, we'll make sure you understand how to achieve a smooth scrolling experience within your designs. Let's get started. First, make sure you are in design mode in Adobe XD. This is where all the magic happens for setting up your interactive elements. Now, you'll want to select the objects or groups of elements that you intend to make scrollable. This could be anything from a row of images to a set of cards. Just make sure they've been appropriately grouped together. Once you've got your selection ready, head over to the Property Inspector on the right-hand side. This panel is crucial because it provides you with all the settings you need to modify properties for your selected objects. Here, specifically, you'll be looking for the scroll options. Adobe XD offers three main types of scrolls for your convenience: horizontal scroll, vertical scroll, and both, which are ideal for different scenarios based on your design's needs. For this demonstration, we'll focus on enabling horizontal scrolling. You can do this quickly with a handy keyboard shortcut. If you're on a Mac, use H, and on Windows, it's Shift-Control+H. This will save you a bit of time and make your workflow more efficient. After activating horizontal scroll, blue handles or markers will appear around your selected group. These are vital as they define the viewport window, the area where your content is visible, as well as the overflow content beyond the initial viewing area. You're in control here. Feel free to adjust these handles to determine precisely how much content should remain visible and how much can be scrolled into view. A quick tip: if your artboard itself scrolls vertically, but you only want a particular section to scroll horizontally, make sure that section is well isolated. It should be flagged specifically for horizontal scrolling to function correctly, avoiding any confusion during the preview phase. Speaking of previews, it's essential to see how your design functions in action. Switch to Desktop Preview mode in Adobe XD, which allows you to interact with your prototype directly. Here, simply use your mouse or trackpad to drag the content sideways. You should see the content scroll horizontally, smoothly transitioning as intended. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled scrollable content in Adobe XD, enhancing your design's interactivity and usability. This feature adds a dynamic element to your projects, making them more engaging for viewers. Thanks for watching and happy designing.